Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to look at Steam screenshots. And it's literally an easy process. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to know how it's done. To view Steam screenshots that you have taken in your games, you can use the following steps. So firstly, launch the Steam application on your PC. Click on View and the top menu of the Steam window. Choose Screenshots from the drop-down menu. This will open the Screenshot Manager. In the Screenshot Manager, you will see a list of all the games you have taken screenshots in. Click on the game title to view screenshots from that specific game. Now, you can browse through the screenshots from the selected game. To view screenshot, click on it to open a larger preview. From here, you can delete, upload, or set a screenshot as your Steam profile picture. By following these methods, you can easily access and view the screenshots you have taken while playing games on Steam. Choose the method that best suits your preference for managing and viewing your Steam screenshots. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.